El día de hoy visitamos Harley Toys and Comics, ubicado al interior del Tucson Mall en Tucson, Arizona. Una tienda que se dedica a todo tipo de coleccionables y hasta el fondo podemos encontrar cómics, tanto nuevos como antiguos y muchísimos key issues. De lo que sí carece es de tomos que sean recopilatorios, pero pues te dejo un recorrido por la tienda para que visites conmigo de manera virtual.
And I'm also taking a break from trading things too. Until the next season. Yeah, I put all mine in the back. When the next season comes out, I'll bring them out. Yeah, but you're right. They're just, it really went ice down in there with me. Well, not really.
I'm surprised they still have the Demigorgon. Those is sold as fast as I got them in. And then
Well, actually, they weren't that ice cold because they still kept selling for even a little while after the show.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Which is, I mean, that's why I kept. That's why I have such good inventory in it. But yeah, when it slowed down, it slowed down.
Yeah. But at least it didn't just like fall off the cliff like something like many other things.
Slayer has picked back up.
Yes, they're coming out with a new show.
Because all the new, well, you've got all the new characters. So
And
that's picked up.
yeah, I saw that, but I don't know enough about,
Piece.
don't know enough about Demon Slayer yet.
One Piece is doing very well.
And you know, I see a lot of deals for Naruto out there, and I'm wondering if there's so many deals for Naruto out there because it's slow, it's dying.
Naruto?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
I've had that pop right there now for months.
I don't even know enough about Naruto to even know.
And Avatar has slowed down.
Yeah.
But DBZ, that's
That
the
kind
one
of
we thought.
DBZ seems to kind of pick it up again, doesn't it?
See, it's never going to go anywhere. That and Sailor Moon, you cannot go wrong.
Attack on Titan, yeah.
Well, yeah, but the new movies, the new series, is now sort of starting to pick back up. The last 4 episodes of Attack on Titan come out. People, once again, they've got interest in it. But once I sell it, that's it.
How are your Disney purchases doing?
I haven't sold any of the old ones in a while. Everything's all about, the attention has been moved to the Disney 100 years stuff.
Yeah.
That's what everybody's doing.
Yeah.
And it's that stuff.
I have just one. This is nice. Treasure.
Adam Warlock.
That's a fun card right there.
Adam Warlock.
Right?
Who's that on the back? With Black Mold.
Made humans.
Yeah, but he's speaking, so this is up to the hall. But everybody else is standing around.
So, I went, what happened up there, right? I go down to this, I wake up in the morning and I see that there's I get an order on my phone and see something on the complex, right? So I look it up, right? He said, we got over 100, we want, well, if it's 250 or, but we don't really know much about comics, right? So I'm like, I give it a look, and I see a couple of Silver Age things, I see this, I see the Kiss, I'm like, okay, somebody's gonna check it out, right? Go all the way out to the south side, and I'm going down a dirt road, right? And then it's a bunch of like weird trailers out in the desert. And I'm like, okay, this is strange. And without, so then this old lady's kind of there, and she's waving me back. So I pull into a little, and they have like a little compound, like
Yeah.
and there's shit everywhere, right? And I'm like, oh, this is a waste of time. I only had $40 on me because I don't like going to there with a bunch of cash on me, you know? So I get there, and the lady starts bringing out, I'm like, and she starts bringing out comic books, right? And all of them are just filthy, right? Old brown bags, right? They're a lot more looking like this, okay?
Yeah.
Set them down, I'm just already like, I'm like, well, let me go through them, because you never know. You never freaking know. So as I'm starting to do that, all of a sudden she brings up this big box, and she's got about 50 of these in this kind of condition, which is, it's always, these ones are shitty, and those ones are nice, right?
Right.
It's the reverse. Thing is I already had them all, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But as I start going through, I'm like, well, there's a few things here that she has that, she had a decent amount of X-Men, right? So I'm putting those aside, and all of a sudden I see the giant size.
Excuse me.
Ooh, yeah. You showed the picture.
So it beat the hell, okay? So what I did,
Still.
they put in this file over there, and before she started wanting to go through everything, right? I'm like, man, let me tell you about the surgery. She's like, because I got another guy coming here in about an hour. Watch what that giant story. But I start telling her, like, going through the reasons, and I'm like, he doesn't. Right? And she said, oh, really? And I'm like, so, I'm helping us out. They have gas stuff. She's like, sure. And I see some kids include that. So she texted me later. She's like, it's $350 for everything. So I helped her out.
What? That one's cool.
Y eso fue todo por Harley Comics, espero volver después. Muchas gracias por ver este video. Aquí abajito en la descripción te dejo los datos de donde se encuentra esta tienda. Espero que tengas un bonito día. Bye.